Hard water can show up in all the wrong places: faded laundry, itchy skin, spotted glassware, and even shortened lifespans on your appliances. If you're tired of scrubbing mineral buildup off faucets or replacing your water heater more often than you'd like, a whole house water softener might be the solution you've been needing. In this video, we're going over the top 6 whole house water softeners for 2025. We'll cover key features, what type of home each one works best for, and why they made the list. Links to all products mentioned are in the description below. Number 6. Whirlpool WHES40E. If you're dealing with hard water and have a medium to large household, the Whirlpool WHES40E is a solid place to start. This salt-based water softener is designed to do the job quietly and efficiently, without much effort on your part. It's especially useful for families who don't want to micromanage their system but still want noticeable results throughout the home. With a 40,000 grain capacity, this unit is built for households of up to 6 people or more. One of its standout features is demand-initiated regeneration, which means it only runs a cycle when necessary. That helps conserve both water and salt, something your wallet will appreciate in the long run. It removes up to 125 grains per gallon of hardness and up to 10 parts per million of iron, so you'll notice a difference in your water's clarity, feel, and how your appliances perform. There's also a low salt indicator light, which gives you a heads up before things run out, keeping your water softener on track. The digital display is straightforward, making it easy to monitor settings or tweak if needed. It's also NSF certified, so you're getting performance that meets national safety and quality standards. The included warranty lasts 1 year, but if you use Whirlpool branded salt, it can be extended to 5 years. Another bonus. It does require occasional salt refilling, and installation may need a bit of plumbing confidence. Still, for homeowners looking for a reliable, low-maintenance solution that covers the essentials well, this one checks all the boxes. Number 5. Yarna Capacitive Electronic Water Descaler. If you're renting, living in an apartment, or just not ready to commit to a full salt-based water softener, the Yarna Capacitive Electronic Water Descaler offers a smart and simple workaround. It's a salt-free, maintenance-free system that helps prevent scale buildup in your pipes and appliances, without the need to cut into plumbing or haul around bags of salt. This is an electronic descaling system, not a traditional softener. It doesn't remove calcium or magnesium from the water. Instead, it uses electrical impulses to change the way those minerals behave. The result? Reduced scaling on surfaces, less buildup in pipes, and longer life for water-using appliances. One of the big wins here is how easy it is to install. It works on just about any type of pipe: PVC, copper, stainless steel, PEX, and installs in about 15 to 20 minutes using the included coil wires and control box. No plumbing tools, no water shutoff, no mess. There's no salt, no chemicals, and no filters to replace. Once it's installed, you pretty much forget it's there. That said, because it doesn't remove minerals, the water won't feel soft the way it would with a salt-based system. And since it works by gradually reducing scale, you won't see changes overnight. It's a long game. Still, if you want a non-invasive solution to tackle hard water issues and preserve your plumbing without ongoing maintenance, this is a great pick. Number 4. Aquasure Serene Series. For homeowners who want more than just softened water, the Aquasure Serene Series offers a smart combo. It tackles both hard water and unwanted contaminants like chlorine, sediment, and VOCs. This system is ideal if you're on municipal water and want to improve both the feel and taste of the water throughout your home. At its core, this is a salt-based upflow water softener with a 48,000 grain capacity, making it suitable for homes with up to 3 to 5 bathrooms. What makes it stand out is the optional carbon filtration stage, which adds a layer of chemical reduction to the usual mineral removal. That means softer skin and cleaner dishes, alongside water that tastes and smells better right out of the tap. The upflow design increases salt efficiency by sending water through the resin in reverse, using only what's needed. It also comes with a high-flow control valve with a built-in bypass, so it won't reduce your water pressure. The digital touchpad interface is simple to program, with a user-friendly menu for setting regeneration cycles and checking system status. This system is built for performance, but the dual functionality does come at a higher cost compared to basic softeners. Also, while the installation is manageable for experienced DIYers, many may prefer a professional setup, especially if you're integrating the optional filter tank. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to combat both hard water and chemical contaminants in your home supply, the Aquasure Serene Series is a strong contender, and that's why it earns the number 4 spot on our list. Number 3. Fleck 5600 SXT. If you're looking for a tried-and-true water softener that gets the job done and doesn't need constant attention, the Fleck 5600 SXT is a top pick. It's built with performance in mind, and while it may not be flashy, it offers proven reliability and customizable control that appeals to homeowners who want their system to run on their terms. With their 48,000 grain capacity and a flow rate up to 12 gallons per minute, this unit is built to support homes with up to 6 people. It uses meter-based regeneration, which means it only regenerates when needed based on actual water usage, keeping salt and water consumption efficient. At the heart of this system is the SXT digital controller, a backlit LCD screen that lets you adjust settings, monitor water use, and set regeneration cycles. It may look basic compared to newer touchscreen models, but it's reliable and gives you a high level of control. The setup includes both a durable resin tank and a brine tank working together to remove calcium, magnesium, and even low levels of iron. It's a solid option for homes dealing with hard water and occasional iron staining. There are a couple of things to consider. The interface might feel a bit technical for first-time users, and the appearance is more functional than stylish. But where it shines is in long-term reliability and straightforward efficiency. If your priority is a system that just works, and works well, for years to come, the Fleck 5600 SXT is an easy pick. That's what makes it number 3 on our list. Number 2, SoftPro Elite. If you want a water softener that blends performance with efficiency, the SoftPro Elite is one of the smartest choices on the market. Designed for homeowners who want to conserve water, reduce salt use, and still get consistently soft water throughout the home, this system packs in both power and long-term savings. It's available in configurations up to 80,000 grain capacity, so it's easy to match your home size and water usage. The high-efficiency meter design uses upflow regeneration, meaning it directs water through the resin in reverse to save salt and water, cutting salt usage by up to 64% compared to traditional models. With the ability to handle up to 110 grains per gallon of hardness, it's ready for even the toughest water. You can also add an optional chlorine filter, which makes it a good pick for homes on municipal water that also want better-tasting water at the tap. The large LCD screen gives you real-time monitoring of system performance, and the interface allows for adjusting settings and scheduling regeneration cycles. It might take a few minutes to get familiar with the menu, and once it's programmed, it runs quietly in the background with minimal input. The lifetime warranty on tanks is another major plus, offering peace of mind that this investment is built to last. It's not the cheapest softener out there, but the combination of low operating costs, high performance, and eco-conscious features makes it well worth the price. That's why the SoftPro Elite lands firmly at number 2. It's a long-term solution that pays off in performance, savings, and durability. Number 1. SpringWell SS Salt-Based Water Softener System. If you're looking for a water softener that combines high-end performance, low maintenance, and long-term reliability, the SpringWell SS tops the list. It's built for households that want consistent soft water without dealing with frequent manual tweaks, all while maintaining strong water pressure throughout the home. This is a salt-based system with models offering up to 80,000 grain capacity, making it ideal for larger homes or households with high water demand. It uses a durable USA-built resin tank designed to handle high hardness levels over the long haul. One standout feature is the Bluetooth-enabled control head, which connects to your phone so you can schedule regenerations, check system status, and monitor water usage from anywhere. Despite its power, it delivers a high flow rate, between 11 and 20 gallons per minute, depending on the model, so you won't notice any drop in water pressure even when multiple appliances are running at once. That's especially helpful for homes with multiple bathrooms or heavy daily water use. It also comes with a lifetime warranty on both the tank and electronic components, which adds even more confidence to the purchase. The build quality feels solid, and it's made to last. The app features might be more than some people need, especially in smaller or more straightforward setups, and the premium price tag might not suit every budget. But for those who want a top-tier system that runs quietly, efficiently, and with minimal oversight, this one hits all the marks. That's why the SpringWell SS is our number 1 pick for the best whole house water softener of 2025. Every household is different. What works best depends on your budget, home size, water quality, and how hands-on you want to be with installation and upkeep. Think about which features matter most to you, whether it's salt efficiency, filtration, or set it and forget it convenience. Check the links in the description for up-to-date pricing. Let us know in the comments which model you're leaning toward. And if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.